it's better. I can sit down and just chillax my way up. Oh. No, I'm so impressed with that jump. Yeah, really good, got me. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, find out that's a loop easy. I was like, oh, okay. Well, this is like the easiest one. I'm thinking, no wonder you're pissing it. Yeah. Fair enough. Mate, it's gonna kill doing this Saturday. Yeah, we do that. Oh. No. Can't be wrong. Yeah, do you know Saturday? Yeah, afterwards, I'm going to my nan's for a meal. Yeah, I'm buying a protein shake as well. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Might as well one of them little ones. Because I don't want something too big, but... Nothing. I'm just taking as much shortcuts as I can. Because I'm slow, and the time and light isn't our friend. We'll be on Saturday, but not today. No. I have video evidence of me cutting up corners. Come on! No, it's you. I'm walking out this bit. Don't wanna push myself too much. Yeah, I don't wanna like hurt myself. Because the next day I ached. Yeah. No, you're used to doing this, aren't you? So. Because Wednesday was my first proper time doing it up here riding, yeah.